skydiving looks cool, but I'm never gonna go skydiving. This is that moment where like, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go buy obscenely expensive metal and plastic. Like a mid-tier, nice looking keyboard, somewhere costs around like $300 with all the components. And I would say that that is not including keycaps. I think if you can buy like really cheap, nice looking keycaps, and they're nice looking and they get the job done. But if you want to like get like some of those cooler kind of designs, those cooler colors, that'll be at like another $130 on top of that. I think anyone who tells you is being overly pretentious about it. It's a keyboard. Anyone who says otherwise is like, this is my input device. Is out of their face. It's a keyboard. There's like a variety of different ways to like assemble a board together, and all of these things produce different kind of feels and different kind of sounds. So how are you gonna create a board that like minimizes the amount of vibration, or maybe even like tries to play into the acoustics of a full metal case, you know? But other than that, there's not much. Once past the initial assembly, which is where a lot of the effort and a lot of the detail goes into, there's not much to maintaining these. Like, yes, after a couple of years, the lube and the switches will dry out, and I'm gonna have to go in and maybe like do a little something if I feel like going through that effort. I think the hobby's grown a lot with like kind of a lot more people being interested in like expressing kind of their workspace. And I think this is a way to kind of like express like your work area. So I think the community is moving towards more of a like developing products that are cheaper to manufacture, so it's easier to get into the community. And that's what's happening like right now. Use like the cheap kind of manufacturing process, but also include the attention to detail that the community wants. That also addresses like a lot of the things that are part of the enthusiast community and are not part of your standard like pre-packaged keyboard that you got from your computer, you know?